Here is Quora, where you can answer questions to drive traffic to your website or business. For example, I answered this question now. Here I can put some images, link. I answer all this question. It must be high quality question. And if you would like to drive traffic to business or website or landing page, you have to put your link in the footer or down, but you have to write a high quality answer so you can engage the readers who are your potential customers. So you can, yes, you can earn money from Quora, but most likely in indirect way. You will have to answer high quality answers, and in the footer of your answer you put links to your business or website, so you drive traffic to your business so you can earn more money. You can, by having more visitors, more customers, and more sales.